Looking for the best industrial endoscope of 2026? Whether you're inspecting vehicle engines, plumbing systems, HVAC equipment, or industrial machinery, today's top borescopes deliver sharper images, better articulation, and easier access to hard-to-reach spaces. Here are our top 5 picks. Starting our list at number 5 is this versatile industrial endoscope featuring a bright 5-inch IPS display and crisp Full HD 1080p resolution. Its autofocus system keeps images sharp as you move through tight spaces, reducing the need for manual adjustments. Available in single, dual, or triple lens configurations, it adapts to a variety of inspection tasks, from automotive repairs to plumbing and industrial maintenance. Waterproof construction adds durability, making it a dependable option for professionals and DIY users alike. At number 4 is a model built for comfort and visibility. Its oversized 7-inch IPS display makes it easier to spot cracks, corrosion, and hidden damage without straining your eyes. Its detachable design allows flexible lens configurations, making it suitable for automotive diagnostics, pipeline inspections, and facility maintenance. High-definition imaging provides excellent clarity, giving users greater confidence during every inspection. Our third pick brings professional-grade flexibility with its 360-degree articulating probe. The slim 6mm camera easily reaches confined spaces where standard inspection cameras struggle. Combined with full HD imaging and an easy-to-read 4.3-inch display, this model is an excellent choice for mechanics, equipment technicians, and industrial inspectors who frequently work inside engines and machinery. Taking second place is this advanced 4-way articulating borescope. Precision steering allows smooth navigation around complex engine components, giving users outstanding control during inspections. The rugged IP67 waterproof probe is designed for demanding environments, while the IPS display delivers bright, detailed images. For automotive technicians and industrial professionals, this model offers an excellent balance of precision, durability, and performance. Our number 1 pick is the Teslong 5.5mm articulating borescope. Designed for professional inspections, it combines a slim probe with smooth 2-way articulation for excellent maneuverability inside complex machinery. The bright 5-inch display delivers sharp 1080p visuals, while built-in 32GB storage makes capturing photos and videos effortless. Known for dependable build quality and consistent performance, it's an outstanding choice for automotive technicians, industrial maintenance teams, and serious DIY enthusiasts looking for a reliable long-term investment. Those are our picks for the top 5 industrial endoscopes of 2026. If you found this review helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to Deal Explorer, and let us know in the comments which borescope you choose for your next inspection. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.